Assalamu alaikum. Today's lecture about the Cholesky method. So let's discuss the basic idea of Cholesky method. What is Cholesky method and who was Cholesky? Cholesky died from the wound received on the battlefield on 31st of August 1918 at 5 o'clock in the morning in the north of France. After his death, one of his fellow officers published his method. And the method was known as Cholesky decomposition method. For this method, let we have a real symmetric matrix with positive entries. So for that, the Cholesky defined a matrix A as L into L transpose, where L is the lower triangular matrix and LT is its a transpose. This was Cholesky. He was from 1875 to 1918. Let us differentiate between the Doolittle, Kraut, and Cholesky methods. A definition: LU factorization method. The non-singular matrix. You know non-singular matrix. A matrix whose determinant is not equal to 0. The non-singular matrix A has an LU factorization if it can be expressed as the product of a triangular matrix L, lower triangular matrix L, and upper triangular matrix U. Okay, so this one, for this two triangular matrices, upper and lower triangular matrices are needed for what? For the LU decomposition method. Okay, so if L has ones on its diagonals, then it is called Doolittle factorization. 1, 1, 1 in the diagonal. That is what? Yes, that is Doolittle method. But for the Croat method, this must be L. But in Croat method, you must have 1 in the diagonal. Okay, got it? In the Croat method, the diagonal will be in U. But in the Doolittle method, in the diagonal of the lower matrix, the diagonal of the lower matrix will be 1, 1, 1. And for the Croat method in U, there will be 1, 1 in the diagonal of U matrix. Okay, let me clear the screen. Okay, and if U is equal to L transpose, you know, in the decomposition method, we take L and what? Yes, L and U. But if this U is equals to the L transpose, you will have U, L, and if you replace this upper triangular matrix by lower triangular matrix, transpose of lower triangular matrix, then that method is known as what? Yes, Cholesky factorization method. Let me explain once again. For the LU decomposition method, you must have LU. That is clear from the name. But in Doolittle method, L, you will take L and the L matrix, lower triangular matrix, 1, 1 should be in the diagonal. the Croat method. In the Croat method, you will have U. This diagonal must have 1, 1. And the Cholesky factorization method, that will have U is equals to transpose of lower triangular. So A will be now L into L transpose. Okay, got it? Now, let us have an example. Working rule of Cholesky method. By working rule, we mean what will be the first step, the second step, third, and fourth step. Okay. So by working rule, there is some problem in the mouse. Okay, let AX is equals to B. We will have matrix of the system, matrix system of the form AX is equals to B. Yes, AX is equals to B. Now, suppose A is equals to L transpose. This A is equals to L transpose. So that becomes, if you are having L1100, and you know the lower triangular matrix, and its transpose will be of the form. Just convert this row into columns, this row into column, this row into columns. So now this is the transpose of this L matrix. Okay. Finding L11, L22, 32, 31, 32, and 33. Just once again, the working rule is you will have a system like this one. You have to replace A by L transpose. And then, and you know, L is equals to L11 and the other zeros. These will have L11, 21, 22, 31, 32, and 33. We have to find these. So after that, take the transpose of this A matrix, this L matrix. So you will get matrix of the form. Then finding L1, finding these by using L is equals to A is equal to L into L transpose. Okay, 1 and 2 will give you. One was that this was 1 and this 2. This 1 and 2, equation 1 and 2 will give you L transpose X is equals to B. You know that AX was equals to B, and you replace this A by L transpose X is equals to B. Got it? So now this one is from the previous equations. And then replace LT, the L transpose X by Y. Now in this step, just replace this LTX by Y. So you will have Ly is equals to B. Okay, this one. This equation 3, that was we were having A L we were having AX is equals to B, and we have replaced this L transpose X is equals to B, and this you called it Y. So now that is Ly is equals to B. And what is Y? y is y1, y2, y3. Y is equals to this one. Now putting the values of L and B, we will get this one where we have to put the values of, already we have calculated L1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, and 3, 3. And Y is there, Y1, Y2, Y3. And this B is also there. So putting values uh, in this, here you are having the values of L transpose. Sorry, when you replace these values, put the values of L and B here. We will get the values of this Y. Now, when we get the values of Y there and the values of L transpose also there, so using this we can find the values of X. So that will be the final solution. Okay, for finding the values of X mean X, Y, and Z. Now take an example solved by Cholesky method. So let this is a system of linear equations. So now very first step, that is conversion of this into the matrix. How to convert? Here you are having the coefficient 1, 2, and 3, 2, 8, and 22, 3, 2, and 82. So just take 1, 2, 3, 2, 8, 22, 3, 22, 82. So this will be matrix, and the xy will be in this form, xyz, and the right hand side will be in one other matrix. Okay, so the conversion of the matrix of the system into matrix form, that is given. So as you have told, you know that this is A, that is X, and that is B. So this is AX is equals to B system. And as I have discussed earlier, that A is equals to matrix A is equals to the product of the lower triangular matrix and its transpose. So just replace, as we know that A is this one, L is this one, L transpose is this one. Now take its product. By taking its product, we will get these values of L1, 1, L2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 3. Similarly, once again, when you take the product of these two matrices, then as L11 will be multiplied with L11, so it means L11 square. Then this row will move this one in this direction, so you will have nothing there. So L11 square. So the very first value, that is L11 square, which is equals to 1. So taking square root, so you will get the value of L11, which is 1. Similarly, you can find all by taking product, and you can find all these values. So once we get these values, so just replace the values of these above values in L matrix and L transpose matrix. Now as we know that A is equal to L transpose, this is the Cholesky method, and we have replaced A by L transpose is equals to B. Now replace this L transpose X by Y. L transpose X by Y. So the above equation, that equation becomes this one. L is same, here is same, and you replace this L transpose by Y and equal to B. Now putting the values of calculated values of L in equation 4. Equation 4, that was L Y is equals to B. So we have calculated L, we are having values of B, but Y is missing. This Y is missing. Okay. Now take the product in this direction. 1 into Y will give you 1Y. 1Y1 mean just Y1, and this 0 into Y2, 0 into 3, so you will get nothing. This way is the first value, and here there the first value is 5, so it means Y1 is equals to 5. Now multiply this with the column of y1, y2, y3. So you will get 2y1 plus 2y2 is equals to 6. So there, this will give you equal to 6. Now replace the values of y1 in this one. You will get y2. And similarly, mm, this third row with the column of the matrix, the second matrix, you will get this equation. Now put the values of that, y1, y2, and y3 you will get. Okay, now the task is to find the values of x. This was the dummy variable that we have supposed. This was supposed variable y. So this was used for the simplification of the question. So here we are having the values of L transpose. X is, that is xy, and that is b. Now take the product, 1 into x, 2 into y, 3 into z, 0 into x. You can multiply these. Okay, when you multiply this, you will get first equation. Second row with this column, you will get this one. Third row with this column, you will get the third equation. From the third equation, you are getting a z. There is 3z dividing both sides by 3. So you will get z is equals to -1. Now replace that value of z is equal to -1 in this equation. You will get the y value. Again, just replace the values of z and y in the first equation. You will have x. So that's the solution. Okay.